Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's one of my Miss B vlogs today. So currently it's around like 2:15 p.m. and I have to go to Kakulam Mall, Panjim. There is a small pastry section in Kakulam Mall called Desserts and More, and they are going to give me their modak box which I have to review and post on my food blog. So I'll be going there right now with my sister Sia and Tanvi, and then we have a bunch of things to do. So we're going to go now. Let's go. So guys, currently we are in Panjim market. My sister has come to buy a cake tin that she wants because she wants to bake a cake, I think. We have a big tin, but she wants a smaller one. So she's gone to that store over there to bring it. Guys, I also got the box, and from the side I can see that it's quite some colorful modaks, and I can't wait to go home and open this up.
20 minutes later.
Now my sisters have gone to my cousin's store, garment store, because I need to buy something. So yeah. Also guys, I would just like to mention how tough it is for a person who wears specs and a mask. First of all, if you are in an AC car, when you get down, it fogs up, and then when you're wearing a mask, it fogs up again while talking from here, and it's so irritating. So I think all the people who wear specs will relate to this. Oh, and it's hot too. Okay, so I'm in the car. I didn't go because I didn't find a proper parking, so I am sitting on the driver's seat until they come.
A few moments later. 12 seconds later. One eternity later.
So guys, my sisters came and I dropped them at one more store. So right now I'm going to go park the car and get down as well. So guys, I was supposed to get down, but I didn't get down because I wanted to go to Benetton to buy headphones. They have this Bluetooth headphones which I wanted to buy, but it's closed and looks like it won't open again. So I'm stuck in the car. So guys, my nephew has come to stay with me for a few days. Shlok, say hi.
Hi.
So guys, I'm in my room right now. I have this box. I'm going to make a small video of it and click some pictures and then post it. So guys, now we're going to try the modaks. I have a dark chocolate one, and Shlok, which one do you have?
Strawberry.
So let's try it. This has some nice crackers, nuts inside, and Shlok, what? So guys, I just changed. I clicked the pictures of the modak, tasted each modaks because I have to write about it. Now I'm going to go and make some tea because my mouth has become too sweet. I need something to tone that taste down. And yes, then I'm going to probably sit and edit a video which is supposed to go tomorrow. So yes, let's go. So guys, with Chavat or Ganesh Chaturthi coming closer, my mom is making some nevrios for us. Some tikhat nevrios, that means spicy nevrios. Nevrios come in two types, sweet and spicy. I love spicy. Please continue watching till the end. If you are watching till here, like this video. And yes, let's go and make some tea now. Shlok, what are you doing?
Watching movie.
Which movie are you watching?
Stuart Little.
Stuart Little. Let's go. So guys, I made the tea, I drank it. Now I'm going to go on top in my room and I'm going to sit and do some editing on my videos. Look, what are you doing?
Watching movie.
Which movie are you watching?
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
So guys, it's almost dinner time and my sister has made keema pao today and I can't wait to eat it. So let's go. So guys, after dinner I filmed another video. I won't give you all much details about it. You guys will see it, and I think I would like to end my video here. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.